Hello and welcome everyone. This is Professor Siddharth Surana. I hope you guys are doing good. और मैं तो हमेशा मस्त ही रहता हूँ. And thank you so much for the kind of response that you have given to the book. I think अगर एक लाइन में बोलूं तो सबको exemption चाहिए. Everybody wants exemption. Everybody wants exemption. How do I define the response? Twice our website got crashed because of the overload. 2 बार वेबसाइट क्रैश हो गया. अब क्या हुआ है दैट द नंबर ऑफ डाउनलोड्स दैट हैव टेकन प्लेस ऑफ द फाइल, उसकी वजह से सम इंटरनेट सर्वर्स आर अज्यूमिंग दैट दिस इज अ स्पैम फाइल एंड फोर्सफुली इट इज बीइंग downloaded in the systems and computers of people, which is why internet servers are basically showing that our file has some virus, and because of which a lot of students have not been able to download the file. They approached us and we have been working since morning with our technical team to resolve this issue, and the issue is resolved. For this there is a troubleshoot video which I am making. It is surprising that I have to, along with text I have to also teach you this troubleshoot thing. So let me explain how that problem is going to be resolved once and for good, so that everybody can actually start viewing the file. First of all, you must have received an email. This email contains the link for the book download and also the serial key. Don't bother to copy my serial key, it is already activated, so it is not going to be of any use to you. This link is the course link or the book link as we have. You will click this link and it will open the Google Drive. Actually, the mail which you got will contain only 3 files. First, you have the software file, how to activate and play the lectures, and the handwritten book. So what you are required to do is you download these files. Download this file, handwritten book. It is going to get downloaded without any issue or without any problem. Download this file. Download this how to activate file. This will also not have any problem. And then the real problem which everybody is facing is when they are asked to download this software file. Software files, which is a zip folder basically. And if you observe near the bottom of the screen, you will see that this is scanning for virus and this file could not be downloaded. It will show in a while that this file cannot be downloaded because there is a virus, and this is one technical issue which people are facing, and we have been working on it, and now we have the solution. Let that message come that that this will not get downloaded. A virus was detected, so you cannot download the file. This is that problem which everybody is facing. Now let me resolve this for you. Do this on the software zip file. Do this. If you right click on this, you will get this thing, make a copy. Make a copy. So the copy which is already there in my folder is an existing copy when I was doing a trial of this troubleshoot. Now you will get show file location. You have to click on that show file location part. Many a times it is possible that that copy will get saved within this same folder. Otherwise you have to make a copy. I'll show you again. Make a copy. This is going to create that copy and you have to click on show file location. When the location will get opened, all you are required to do is this copy file is the file that you will be downloading. So the main file is not being downloaded, but the copy file can be downloaded. Absolutely no problem. You will get a pop-up message. This is very important. This pop-up message will tell you that maybe there is some virus, because as I said, the number of people who have downloaded this file over the since the time we have made the announcement, last couple of days, 2-3 days, the number of people who have downloaded is giving an impression to the online servers that there is some problem. This is a spam file. There is absolutely no problem over here. Our technical team has checked everything properly. Then you just have to click yes, download the infected file. My guarantee, don't worry. Okay. So let that download take place. I'll just repeat that process. Go to the folder which is sent on your mail and right click on that zip file, make a copy and download that copy file. Instead, the main file will not get downloaded. Download the copy file. And that copy file, even if that pop-up comes that there is some infection or anything, don't bother, I am there. No problem, no virus over here. It is only that good response of students which has resulted. Let the download complete. I'll pause the video and resume later. Okay, I am resuming the video when my download is complete. So all you are required to do is make a copy of the main file and download that copy file. No problem. Go to your download folder you will get the zip file. You have to extract everything that is there in the zip file. So you have to open this. Nobody pays for these software here. Extract. It is not advisable to extract it on your desktop or your C drive, because those drives generally get formatted and then it will not be reactivated on that particular system. But in my case, I am doing it because in my case, even if it gets formatted, I have my own book. So no problem. I am extracting this entire folder on my desktop, and along with this, the other two files that you have downloaded. These two files also you will have to, that PDF file and that Word file, you will have to cut from your download folder, come to your desktop, and in the desktop, in this software files folder, you have to paste everything in this. So that software files zip folder will be extracted, preferably not on your desktop or in your C drive, but in your any other drive, so that even if you format your PC, that data remains as it is. And now you have to just double click this exe file of content browser. This pop-up is basically because I have installed on the desktop. On the desktop, it is not advisable is what they are saying, but it's okay. You don't do it. You do it on your D drive or E drive or anything like that. And here you will get a small form. If this box also comes about that video file missing, just click no, irrelevant box. And here you have to enter your serial key. So whatever is the serial key received, enter that serial key. There is a box check key. You have to check that key and follow. Just fill up the data, enter your mobile number, you will get your OTP, fill that OTP, and at the end, after you fill this entire form, click this activate button over here. Right now it won't get activated because I have not entered the data. Once you activate the data, automatically your file, which was otherwise not opening, will now open. So all you are required to do is, the only problem that is happening is that, I'll show you again. You have got an email in which we have given you the link. In that link, you are able to download the Word file and the PDF file, but the zip file is not getting downloaded. This file, the zip file, is not getting downloaded because it is showing a virus. Just do a right click. We faculties revise everything. Make a copy. Go to that file location, that copy. It may be in the same folder or anywhere else. Go to that copy and download that copy file. Every problem will be resolved. Thank you once again for the response that you have given to our book. It is because of this response that the technical problem has arisen. Website crashed, server crashed, everything. So thank you for this crash and all the best. Have a good time studying. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.